Hello everyone, and this is Mark Day Job, and for today's video I'll be unboxing and demonstrating to you this new OOKAS or okay, just let's go with OOKAS air fryer. This is a 16-liter air fryer. Now before we start, what's the difference between an air fryer and a convection oven? They're both similar. The only difference is that an air fryer efficiently cooks your food with less oil and makes it a lot more crispier. A convection oven slowly saturates the air around it until the food is cooked. It could be a cake, it could be a roasted chicken or anything, but with an air fryer, there is a fan that spins and circulates all of that air to efficiently cook your food with less oil, and at the same time, it is much more faster. So now let's do the unboxing and see what's inside this box. Good. Okay, so this is the top part. We are greeted with a mitten. You have a free mitten with you because it's going to be hot. This is your manual and your warranty card at the back. Here are some trays. Here's the free recipe brochure which you can use to cook different things in the air fryer. So the one with grills, this is your top tray, and this will be your bottom tray. Yes, you can bake on this one, but you are only limited to the size of the tray. So you can cook cupcakes, you can cook a very small cake. So here's our air fryer. As you can see, it's not the conventional type of air fryer because it uses the same principle as that of the convection oven. Well, most of the air fryers you see in the market are those drawer types with a basin or basket. This, on the other hand, is multifunctional or it's multi-purpose because you can bake in this, and you can also see if the food is cooked or not, because my problems with those drawer types is that I'll have to remove it again to check if the food is cooked or not. But as for this, there is a glass where you can see if your food is cooked or not yet. Here is your touchscreen, so you only have a small display here to display the types of functions that you are using on this. So mostly this is made of plastic. Its body is made of plastic, but we don't have to worry about that because this is just the outer body. The real heat is in the inside. Also, most of the air fryers in the market has a plastic body, so you do not have to worry about anything that is burning or melting. This is a US plug. At the back, I don't know if you can see, but there is an opening or air opening, maybe for steam or smoke. At the top, it has some notes in here say, do not cover, the product must be kept away from the fire source for more than 30 centimeters. And it also has certain guidelines in here, like French fries to be cooked at 180 degrees 20 minutes and so on. And there's also a warning here that this must be preheated for 20 minutes, and a slight odor during preheating is a normal phenomenon. This part here goes at the very bottom. This is some sort of catch basin for all of the, mostly for oil, because there are certain foods that are oily, or even without putting oil, they'll produce, or just like a microwave, it squeezes out all the oil from it. Then here is your upper tray. You can put this anywhere you like. Let's say you're cooking chicken, you can put this at the very bottom, or you're thinking certain foods that needs instant heat. There are up to 3 places where you can put this directly on. So now let's preheat this air fryer. So since there's no certain switch at the back, once you plug this in, it automatically turns on. It will display everything and then turns off back. There is a button here where you can turn it on or off manually. And you can hear a beep that it's on. So now we will have to turn this one on. And you can see that there is a display here. There's a timer. There are different parts in here where, I don't know, there is a temperature here. I think this is French fries. This is roasted ribs, I guess. It is shrimp. So there are options or pre-loaded options where you can easily cook those types of foods. But you can also do this one manually with its temperature. So let's start with, I think this is the menu. Okay, so I don't think you can touch them. They're mostly light indicators only. So in order to choose the correct type of food that you're cooking, just press this and it will cycle through all of different options here. And it will also display the temperature and the time it takes to cook. So once you have cycled all through the different preloaded options in here, it will go back to the on and off or play and pause. And then plus and minus here is for the temperature. Nope, this is for the time. If we click on this, this is either temperature or the time in minutes. So this is the minutes. So you can see 20, we go down to 15 minutes, but we need to preheat this one. So let's go with 20 minutes. And then for the time, I think 180, this should be fine. So now let's do the preheat. There we go. It all lights up. As you can see, there's your fan inside there and your coil. But for the coil itself, you can tell that this is similar to that of a cooktop or electric cooktop, but this time around this is a convection type and there's a fan in there. So yeah, an air fryer.
A few minutes later.
We're now at mark 16 minutes and I'm starting to smell certain odors from it.
15 minutes later.
So now we are in the 1 minute mark. Most of the toxic fumes or oil fumes, as per the manual says, is gone. I don't smell anything weird now. Also, they could have at least placed some caution here, especially with its glass, because this is hot. Especially for those, it's a bit hot, the cover, but the glass itself, it's really hot. And they could have at least placed here a caution that it's hot. Also, you should have a certain leeway at the back or certain distance from the back. We don't want to cover its back for the air outlet. And once it's about to finish, display will turn off and its play and pause or its power button would start to blink. So it has beeps telling you that your food is ready, the cook is finished. The cook is finished. Now let's put this one back in and wait for about 5 minutes. That's how you fry with air.
How does it work?
It spreads the heat. So that's my unboxing and review of the OOKAS Air Fryer 60 liters. Let me know about your thoughts in the comment section and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!